In today's video, I bring you a trading strategy that can be used for any time frame in the euro-dollar. This strategy only uses two technical indicators, the zigzag indicator and the RSI indicator. In my case, I am going to be testing the strategy on the euro-dollar on the 15-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the zigzag indicator. I recommend this one here. For this indicator, we will only disable these two options. The second indicator that we will use, as we said before, will be the RSI. For this we select it, and we leave it at 14 periods as it comes by default. The only thing that we will change will be this moving average that we will deactivate. We will make a buy trade when the zigzag indicator reaches its low, and also the RSI is in the oversold zone. We will put a stop of 20 pips and a take profit of 60 pips as follows. We will make a sell operation when the zigzag indicator reaches its high and also the RSI is in the overbought zone. We will put a stop of 20 pips and a take profit of 60 pips as follows. It is possible that the zigzag indicator changes to low or high with some delay, so we will make the trade as soon as possible. Let's look at some examples. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.